Hello students, welcome to Edupedia World. My name is Shivam Mishra and I am a BTech from IIT BHU. Today we will be discussing the solutions to IIT JEE Advanced 2014 Chemistry Paper 1. The paper code which we are using is 5. So in case you have the code, you can follow the questions from there. Let us look at the questions one by one. Let us look at question number 5. In question number 5, we have been given an equation and then we have been asked a few options regarding that particular equation. Now this is a question from the topic of redox reactions, wherein we have to balance a redox reaction. Let us try to balance the equation first. As you can see from the equation, I minus is in a -1 oxidation state on the reactant side and it is in 0 oxidation state on product side. Similarly, if you look at ClO3 minus, it is on a +5 oxidation state on reactant side and -1 oxidation state on product side. So this is our redox couple. We will try to balance it. Let us write the species which are getting oxidized and reduced first. So I'll write I minus plus ClO3 minus goes to I2 plus Cl minus, and clearly the medium is acidic. So if you try to calculate the valency factors, the valency factor for I minus would be a change from an oxidation state of -1 to 0. So the valency factor for I minus would be 1, and similarly for ClO3 minus, the change in oxidation state is from +5 to -1. So the change would be of 6. So its valency factor would be 6. Now as all of you know, to balance the equation we simply cross multiply by the valency factors. So this 6 is going to get attached with I minus and this 1 is going to get attached with ClO minus. So that would make my equation as 6I minus plus ClO3 minus goes to, since we have put a 6 over here, we will get 3I2 and plus Cl minus, right? Now after this, what do? We balance oxygen atoms. So obviously oxygen will be balanced by adding 3 H2O molecules. Oxygen is balanced by adding water. So there were 3 oxygen atoms. So I added 3 H2O over here. And since the medium is acidic, the last step would be to balance hydrogen, which is done by adding H plus. So as you can see, 6 hydrogen over here. So what I'll do is that I'll add 6 H plus over here. Now this is the balanced redox equation, but this is not exactly in the same form as the above equation. So what we are going to do is that we are going to add 6 HSO4 minus on either side. So we'll add 6 HSO4 minus over here and 6 HSO4 minus here. We have added 6 HSO4 minus on both sides. Now this 6H plus and 6 HSO4 minus, where did I get the hint to do this from? By looking at the reaction, because over here we can see that HSO4 minus is in the product. So I'm adding 6 HSO4 minus here and 6 HSO4 minus here, and these 6H plus and 6 HSO4 minus can be combined to form 6H2SO4. Okay, now let us look at the options. Stoichiometric coefficient of HSO4 minus is 6. Obviously A is going to be my correct answer. Iodide is oxidized. Obviously it is going from -1 to 0, and increase in oxidation number is considered oxidation. Sulfur is reduced, not at all, because sulfur is in the same oxidation state on the reactant as well as the product side, which is +6 in both cases. H2O is one of the products. Definitely you can see we are getting 3 H2O on the product side. So obviously D is also correct. So the correct answers are A, B and D. Thank you.